Okay, many teenagers today in Malaysia experience symptoms of depression, symptom of stress, symptom of anxiety. A study from National Health and Morbidity Survey 2017 showed that 1/5 of adolescents in Malaysia suffer from depression, 2/5 suffer from anxiety, and last one, 1/10 is suffer from stress. So everyone have read Harian Metro newspaper on 2019, which state that almost 0.5 million Malaysians suffer from depression, suffer from anxiety, and suffer from stress until 2021. So I have done some research regarding to my topic, stress, anxiety, depression among Malaysians. Okay, let me explain first what is anxiety, what is depression, and what is stress. So anxiety, depression, and stress are just about everyone feels these emotions at the sometimes. So all common reactions to life's challenge, from losing a loved one to going through a divorce. On the surface they can look a lot like. So but there are distinct difference today. So I have, and now today I would like to show you all these emotions are getting more by more prevailing based on the National Health and Morbidity Survey static conducted in 2017. Even on the World Mental Health Day last October, YB Hannah Yo, Deputy Minister of Women, Family and Community Development, released very shocking data that Nur Kasih Line 15999 state that as many 264 teenagers met the call using the Nur Kasih line. So half of the teenagers who made the call, they feel like they want just to talking with them. They just want to reduce their lonely feeling, their boring feeling, so that they feel bored, they want to do something that become their joyful. Now I would like to represent you the chart. The chart showed that difference in reported depression, anxiety, and stress levels by age group. So we observed that over 60% of the age of 18 to 24 and 25 to 34 reported sign of depression, anxiety, and stress, and approximately 50% of the same age group reported sign of anxiety and stress. So in comparison, only between 40% to 39% of the older age group, between 35 to 44, 45 to 54, and 55 and above reported similar sign. In terms of levels of severity, respondents from the 18 to 24 and 25 to 34 age group reported up to 2 to 3 times more sign of severe and extremely severe negative emotion compared to those age 55 and above. So 19 to 25% of the younger respondents reported severe and extremely severe stress, and approximately 33% reported that the same level of anxiety and depression. So we can see that statistics show that Malaysian people aged 21 until 34 and above suffer from mental health. So the average society is affected by emotions such as anxiety, fear, isolation, uncertainty, and emotional stress due to change in living norm. Globally, this year has been particularly challenging as the entire world, not only Malaysian but all in the world, all countries in the world has been hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, resulting in the health crisis that that has also affected to the mental health of individuals. So we can see how dangerous people who have mental health problems can be fatal compared to the whose state that they have diabetes or high blood pressure. In fact, that mostly people who suffer diabetes and blood pressure are old people, and this disease can be treated and cured quickly by getting the right treatment. Regarding to the stress, anxiety, and depression, if someone deeply have deeply have the anxiety cannot be cured, cannot be treated, so they will take the decision to end their life, to being crazy. Next, we go to the chart that show differences of gender in Malaysian who are facing the mental health issue and problem. Okay, the chart show that the gender differences in the reported level of depression, anxiety, and stress. Women reported experiencing significantly more negative emotion compared to a man. So the difference between a women and men is more observable for stress and anxiety, where 38% and 48% of women respectively reported experiencing these two negative emotion compared to the 25 and 38% representative for a man. A higher portion of women is the sample exhibited severe or extremely severe signs of depression, anxiety, and stress. So around 21%, 26%, and 18% respectively, compared to the men 14%, 15%, and 10% respectively. Study by the United States Mental Health Union state that above 5 to 10 of men suffer from depression rather than women. Because of what? Because for adult men who already have a career, who already have a family, for example, that effect can be tragic, such as that jobless. If the man jobless, so the married couple, so for example women and men, they are couples, so the wife is not working anymore, so the men have a jobless during the MCO, and then divorce, and then possibility even domestic violence can be manifestation of uncontrolled and untreated mental problems. Eventually, the man is forced to live alone and isolated from his family, community, society as a whole. When it get to the point, some will try to find way out by taking own life, by end their own life. Because of that, mostly people who suffer mental health due to the symptom of schizophrenia leading to frequent suicide attempts. Men are more likely to hide difficulties and even emotional disorder than women are more easily to seen from various angles such as facial depression, behavior, speech, and overall the study was successful proof there is a significant difference between in male and female by level of group of depression, who suffer depression, who suffer anxiety, who suffer stress, in terms of psychological stress and mental health general. So measure to overcome the mental health problem among the Malaysian youth to adopt healthy lifestyles such as eating a balanced diet, drinking 8 glasses of water a day, not smoking, not smoking cigarettes and drugs. So exercising around 3 times a week. So by the adopting a healthy lifestyle, so mental and physical health is more assured. So can be cured, can be treated by get the peace of mind. Okay, so on. Okay, that's all from me, and I hope my present of the anxiety, depression, and stress among Malaysian can be helped all of you to overcome, to know why and what how this mental health happen among the young, among the Malaysian.